Hey, it's Jared again, and we're talking about high-risk credit card processing. And as you might guess, along with higher risk becomes higher costs. Why the higher costs, you might ask? And let me explain to you really quickly why. First of all, is because the higher risk, the processors want to put money in reserve to hold on your behalf so that if there is a loss, they're covered and they're not going to lose it out of their own pockets. The second is typically in a higher risk account, that processor is going to monitor your account more closely, which means more direct labor cost and more cost to them on your behalf. So that's why you do have higher costs as a high-risk merchant. Now, what about the risks to you and what are the risks that are associated with high-risk processing? The first one that is an easy temptation is your agent might falsify documents, and instead of putting you down as a high-risk processor, put a different SIC code on the paperwork and a different business name, and away you go, you've gotten approved and you're getting your money. Well, the risk to that agent could be that not only could they lose your account, but they actually get shut down and terminated by Visa, which means they lose their entire portfolio, their entire life's work, all their commissions, all their residuals, and they can no longer work in the business again. So something I will not do for my customers is falsify documents. The second one is you as a merchant and you have false documents. You can get shut down, of course, as well, but typically what the processor doesn't tell you is they won't tell you you're shut down. They'll let you keep processing, they'll let you keep depositing money, but they'll hold that money. So you have zero cash flow. You have no money getting deposited, and it takes you typically 3 days to a week or so to figure this out. When you call them, it's too late, they've got your money and they don't give it back. They'll hold it for 6 months or a year or even longer, depending on what's justifiable by warranties that are associated with your business. And then you are SOL and have to find a new processor. So, and it comes to different ways to get around the system. Falsifying documents is not one of them, and it's not one risk that you're willing to take. So for more information on how you can work with credit card processing and high-risk merchant services, please give me a call. My name is Jared Sparr. Thanks.